My name is Krishana Pearson, and I'm the founder of a Christian organization for single mothers called The Making of a Lady. I founded this organization for single mothers like myself about a year ago. Single mothers who just really want to raise our children to be effective. We want to be able to dream for ourselves and for our kids, and then we want to be able to realize those dreams. So the purpose in a nutshell at The Making of a Lady is to equip single mothers and their children for life, or living in fulfillment every day. We want to be able to equip single mothers with the tools to combat the factors that contribute to the negative stereotypes or statistics that you hear about single parent families. Now, we do that by offering trainings or teachings or workshops in areas that I like to call life skills. Life skills can include, of course, parenting skills or time management skills or budgeting, finance, and things of that area. We also talk about healthy self-esteem. We also talk about having, being able to choose, make right choices when it comes to relationships who we, choose to spend our time with and things like that. But the purpose of today's video is to introduce you to a new support group, a Christian support group that we're going to be starting in the Dallas area here real soon. Now, I am so excited about this support group because I feel like it's going to be an awesome opportunity for us as single mothers to come together and lean on each other and learn from each other. I've heard it said that it takes a village to raise a child, and I feel like if all of us come together and we share our resources with one another, we will be then equipped to find out what it is that we need and have what it is that we need to raise our children effectively. I feel like it's also an opportunity for us to come together and join forces to make an impact. We can make an impact in our children's lives. We can make an impact in our own lives. We can make an impact in the schools. We can make an impact in our community. I feel like that's an awesome privilege and an awesome opportunity for anyone who wants to get involved. There's going to be lots of different activities that we're going to be having on a bi-weekly basis. The support group itself is probably going to last about an hour from 7 to 8. That's tentative. And we're going to have a time of sharing. We're going to have time of fellowship. We're going to have light refreshments, and we're going to have different activities and help us to live healthy lives and help us to get whatever it is that we need to get out of life. Help us to motivate our children. Help us to overcome some of the struggles when it comes to raising our kids, particularly teenagers, and some of the struggles that we face when we're raising our teenagers. And we want to provide. This is going to be an opportunity to provide tools to be able to combat those things, or give us, sometimes we can feel hopeless as single parents as to what to do. But when we come together and when we begin to talk about things and when we begin to share with each other things that's worked for the other ones, then we'll find hope, and we'll find, the encouragement that we need to keep going. Now, everything that we do is based upon the teachings of Christ and built upon the teachings of Christ. So, of course, we're going to be talking about God, and we're going to talk about what God has done in each and every one of our lives. So, I just want to take this time to personally invite you to come out. That's Wednesday, April the 13th. The address is 6801 Roper Street. Again, that's at the KB Polk Recreation Center. It's free of charge, about an hour long. The support group is going to be every other Wednesday. And I'm looking forward to, seeing you there. If you're wanting more information about this support group, then I invite you to go into the website, www.makingalady.org. That's MAKINGALADY.org. You can email me from the website, or you can email me directly at makingalady@yahoo.com. Now, if you email me, I promise I'll get back to you. I'll give you whatever information that you need. But until then, I'm really excited to see you at the support group, and I'm hoping to hear from you soon. God bless.